The new year has come, let's celebrate together, with peace in our hearts and love to spread forever. Let's join hands, sing the song of a better world where we all belong. With respect and love, everything will shine. A new year for us to dream and climb. In the sky, the stars come to guide, showing us that we can always believe and confide in the strength of friendship, in the light of forgiveness, building a future with more understanding and kindness. Let's join hands, sing the song of a better world where we all belong. With respect and love, everything will shine. A new year for us to dream and climb. Every child deserves to smile, deserves some love to feel worthwhile, that the world is beautiful, full of light, and it can be fair with more love inside. Let's join hands, sing the song of a better world where we all belong. With respect and love, everything will shine. A new year for us to dream and climb. The wind brings hope, the sun warms us true. With every new step, a dream coming through. Together we are strong, we can transform. The future is bright, we just need to believe and reform. Let's join hands, sing the song of a better world where we all belong. With respect and love, everything will shine. A new year for us to dream and climb. Peace and love, let's spread them wide. A new year to restart, with hearts open wide. With God by our side, leading the way, we'll walk a path of light, day by day.